Einstein's biggest blunder: the cosmological constant and the expanding universe. Albert Einstein is widely regarded as one of the most brilliant minds in human history. His theory of relativity revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and gravity, reshaping the field of physics and laying the groundwork for much of modern cosmology. However, even geniuses can make mistakes, and Einstein himself famously described one of his own, the so-called biggest blunder of his career. This blunder, ironically, stemmed from his attempt to preserve an idea that ultimately was proven wrong: a static universe. The origin of the blunder: at the turn of the 20th century, it was commonly believed that the universe was static and unchanging. When Einstein formulated his theory of general relativity in 1915, he realized that his equations suggested a universe that was either expanding or contracting, which conflicted with the prevailing view of a static cosmos. To reconcile his equations with the accepted notion, Einstein introduced a mathematical term called the cosmological constant, represented by the Greek letter lambda. The cosmological constant acted as a repulsive force, counteracting the gravitational attraction that would otherwise cause the universe to collapse. With this addition, Einstein's equations could now support the idea of a universe that neither expanded nor contracted, aligning with the scientific consensus of his time. The discovery that changed everything. In the late 1920s, the astronomer Edwin Hubble made a groundbreaking discovery. Galaxies were moving away from each other, and the farther away they were, the faster they receded. This observation provided strong evidence for an expanding universe and indicated that space itself was stretching. Hubble's discovery directly contradicted the idea of a static universe and rendered Einstein's cosmological constant unnecessary. When Einstein learned of Hubble's findings, he reportedly admitted that introducing the cosmological constant had been a mistake, referring to it as the biggest blunder of his career. He later removed the term from his equations, acknowledging that the universe was indeed dynamic and ever-changing. Was it really a blunder? In hindsight, some physicists argue that Einstein's inclusion of the cosmological constant was not as misguided as he believed. Decades after Einstein's era, the concept of a cosmological constant resurfaced in a new context. In the 1990s, astronomers discovered that not only is the universe expanding, but this expansion is accelerating. To explain this phenomenon, scientists reintroduced the cosmological constant as a form of dark energy, a mysterious force that makes up about 68% of the universe's total energy and drives its accelerating expansion. Einstein's blunder turned out to be more prescient than even he could have imagined. The very term he once dismissed as a mathematical contrivance has become an integral part of modern cosmology. Today, the cosmological constant is a central feature of the lambda-CDM model, lambda cold dark matter, which is a prevailing model used to describe the universe's structure and expansion. Einstein's so-called biggest blunder holds important lessons not just for scientists but for everyone. First, it underscores the importance of challenging existing assumptions and remaining open to new evidence, even if it overturns established beliefs. The discovery of the expanding universe forced Einstein and the entire scientific community to reconsider their understanding of the cosmos, leading to significant advancements in the field. Second, Einstein's blunder highlights the nature of science as a self-correcting process. Mistakes and revisions are not failures, but stepping stones that help refine and improve our understanding of complex phenomena. Einstein's misstep with the cosmological constant, far from being a mark against his genius, is a testament to the evolving nature of scientific inquiry. Einstein's biggest blunder serves as a reminder that even the greatest minds can err, and that these errors can sometimes lead to profound insights. Although he abandoned the cosmological constant during his lifetime, its reemergence as an explanation for dark energy shows that what may seem like a mistake at one point in history can later become a cornerstone of scientific progress. Einstein's story is one of humility, curiosity, and the relentless pursuit of truth, proving that even in error, there is often wisdom to be found.